Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing you reading for Pisces, and this is going to be a weekly reading from the 1st to the 8th of August, and this is a general reading. And please guys, please subscribe my channel and follow me in YouTube, in Facebook and in Instagram. All the information is given below. We have the first card here. We have the postulant here, alright? Looks like somebody is deep in thoughts. We have the magician. And the Emperor. Okay, nice. Alright. Messages for Pisces, please. What are the messages for Pisces? We have the astrologer. And we have the 8 of spheres here. Alright. Okay. Messages for Pisces. What are the messages for Pisces? We have 5 of the moon. We have 5 of the moon. And we have the 3 of suns here. Okay. Messages for Pisces, please. What are the messages for Pisces? Messages for Pisces. What are the messages for Pisces? Oh wow, okay. We have the 7 of spheres and we have 9 of stars here. Now let's see what's the overall energy. 6 of spheres here. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, somebody is deep in thought. This is a spiritual card, and we have the magician. Somebody is manifesting something, and there is the emperor. Somebody who's very strong and who is motivated enough to stand the ground and tell others how to do. Somebody is like manipulative too. Now we have the astrology here. This card comes in. This trumps any negative cards in the spread, which means that you are being guided. This card comes up when you clearly say that, or you can understand that this card comes out and you know that somebody is guiding you throughout all the negative phases. Okay, now the 8 of spheres is here telling you that you need to listen to your gut feeling, right? And then you are not ready to listen to others, you are ready to only to listen to yourself. And there's a 5 of moon here, brings some kind of sadness, anxiety and pain here. And then we have the 3 of suns, bringing more transformation, right? A fire, that's the effect of this transformation, huge transformation here. And then we have the 7 of spheres, bringing financial growth here. And we have the 9 of stars, bring some kind of anxiety into a situation here. All right, and the overall energy is the 6 of spheres here, bringing gifts and money and equal give and take situation here. Now let's see why is the postulant here. Clarify the postulant of the stars. So somebody is deep in thoughts, right? Let's see why is the postulant here. Clarify the postulant. Yeah, things are moving on, or things are going to change. There are changes coming towards you, and you might feel that there are changes. You're thinking about some kind of changes here. Now, why is a magician here? You are manifesting a love offer here, a small offer from. I really feel that you might be offering, message, or you might be sending messages to somebody else. You might be getting a message of love here. Now, there is the Emperor magician. You be talking about an Aries as well, or an Aquarius. I don't know why, but we have the Emperor here again, the Aries energy, which means that somebody is trying to be strong and taking a decision here with the Queen of Swords energy. Okay, which means that somebody is being strong and taking a decision here. Now let's see why is astrology here. Knight of Cups, bringing some kind of information. There's a messenger coming towards you, bringing some kind of knowledge or information, bringing some kind of clarity of thoughts in, or this is mostly about love, feelings and desires. Yeah. So somebody is coming in with some kind of clarification here, and then you are listening to your gut with the 8 of spheres here, because you know that you have had this loss in the past, and we have the same energy here repeating with the 5 of moons here, which means that you have had some kind of loss in the past, and you might be attached to that person still, or there's some kind of addiction to this person, or you might be addicted to something here, and maybe you felt that there was some kind of loss of your time, or you might have lost this person, or this can even be a Capricorn here. Now, why is 3 of suns here? Okay, there has been some kind of conflict going on within you, or there's some kind of conflict in your situation, and that is going to change, which means that there's transformation in this situation. bringing gives money into your situation with a new offer. Whereas a new offer brings some kind of stability, financial stability here. This can be a passionate energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, which means that you are going to find some kind of new opportunity coming towards you. Then there is the anxiety here. There is the anxiety card with the nine of stars here, brings some kind of anxiety, sadness, and pain here. Because and you are trying to putting. I really feel that you might be putting a lot of work and effort into it, and you feel that you are not getting the benefits of it yet. But the overall energy is the six of spheres, bringing equal give and take situation or balance of a situation, bringing the temperance here with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you might even be thinking about a Sagittarius here. So I really feel that there is some kind of balance coming into your life, which is I really feel that that's the overall energy with the six of pentacles or the six of swords. Sorry, the six of spheres and the temperance coming in. Laughter. I really feel that this is a time where you are very much focused on the work and you're not taking time to be yourself and looking to the smaller, more happier things of life. You need to take time to be yourself. Laughter attracts universe, so which means that happiness attracts more opportunities, more help. If you need help, you need to only ask the universe, so the help will be given to you. Now, the next card is invisibility. Take off your cloak of invisibility and let your light be seen. So which means that you need to come out of the shadows and act on your soul purpose today, which means that you know what you have to do and you need to do it, right? So this is the message for Pisces from the 1st to the 8th of August. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Take care.